Let's face it, the popularity of milk tea is not going to die anytime soon. In fact, there are many new brands that are coming out in the market today. Some have gone to $1 billion worth of business. So yes, we cannot discount the popularity of milk tea. If you haven't yet got a copy of my book, All Things Milk Tea, do check out the description box below for details on how to order. In this book, you will find recipes for 3 different cup sizes, perfect for those with bubble tea shops. I have the recipes for 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 22 ounces, so you don't have to guess what the recipes for each cup sizes are. And for those wishing to start a coffee shop or planning to add menu items, do check out our book, The Basic Barista. You would find recipes for hot, iced, and blended drinks in different cup sizes too. If ever you are planning a trip to Bangkok, do join our growing number of workshop participants. Be on your way to starting your dream bubble tea, coffee, or matcha bars. Subscribe and join me for updates on business tips, recipes, and tours. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.